10 Tips to Grow Travel YouTube Channel in 2020. Become one of the most successful travel YouTube channel. Here are the 10 tips that will help you do that. Top-notch content. Make sure you do your homework. Quality content is the key to becoming a successful travel YouTuber. Maintain consistency with your travel and tour videos. True success lies where quantity and quality meet. It's the best way to retain your subscribers and to gain new subscribers as well. Make the best of YouTube SEO. Optimize your travel video title tags and descriptions around powerful keywords so that they rank better. Review destinations. By doing review videos you attract a lot of audience to your travel YouTube channel. Take up trending challenges. Publishing viral videos is a great way to get more YouTube subscribers. Always strive for perfection. Keep working on the quality of your content, your editing techniques, using better equipment, improving your camera presence. Interact with the audience for better engagement. It increases your engagement in terms of likes, shares and subscribes. Drive traffic through a travel blog. Embed links of your travel videos in your blogs so that people to read your blogs are compelled to spend time on your channel as well. Create playlists. Creating playlists is a great way to multiply your views and increase your watch time. Collaborate with fellow travel channels. You get access to their dedicated audience and also gain subscribers for your own travel YouTube channel.